Dear students, in this video I will explain you the design and the blueprint of your EVS question paper session ending examination 2020 and 21 academic session. So as you all know that we evaluate in EVS question paper under three competencies. First is observation and recording. It is first competency, observation and recording. Second competency is identification and classification. Third is discovery of facts. Now distribution of marks and types of question. So under the observation and recording, we will give you 10 MCQs. Under the identification and classification, we will give you 6 MCQs, and in discovery of facts, we will give you 3 MCQs. These all questions will be in Google form. So you have 3 Google forms, 10 marks, 6 marks and 3 marks. Now we will move towards descriptive part. There will not be any question descriptive under observation and recording competency. In identification and classification, we will give you 2 short answers. We will give you 2 short answers and marks will be 4. And under discovery of facts, we will give you 1 short answer for 2 marks. So descriptive part you have to write in your notebook at the time of exam day, 2 short answer and 1 short answer. Now we will move towards oral part, which we have already conducted. We have taken 5 marks oral test under identification and classification competency, and 10 marks oral test we have conducted under discovery of facts competency. This part you have completed, and the total marks of your question paper will be 40. Ten marks will be from observation competency, 15 marks will be from identification and classification competency, and 15 marks will be for discovery of facts. So your total will be 40 marks.